share it with me so I can share it with you. And if you like to take walks, this is a nice seat for a senior. It is actually a cane, so you can use it as a cane, and then if you need to sit down, you just take the seat out, just put the bottom poles on, but basically there's your handle and it just pulls out and you got a little seat. So let me get this assembled and then we'll, actually I don't even think I have to screw these together, they just pop together. Are I on? Oh, they're the base for the chair. So we're going to put this part here, and then we just have the 3 for the base. And then of course, depending on how tall you want it, you have there's adjustable holes there so you can go different height. And then here's your cane. So if you're using it as a cane, you got this right here. You're just going to do this. You can walk and have that support. It has a nice angled handle there. So if you have batteries in there, then you can have your light, and then you just, if you need to sit, that's right there. Have support. Sit down. Straddle on it.
Yep.
Like that. Like a horsey. Good. So there you have it. Voila. So here we took it out at night. You can see the light is really bright. It takes 2 AA batteries and they make a very nice light there. It has a little button there in the back. You can push it in and out. And yeah, you can see here, it does really well in the night. And then this is, I opened it up there so that I could sit on it. So you can see there, me sitting on it. And yeah, super simple to use and very lightweight.